High security camera. We are on the set of our truck shooting story. You're gonna see an incredible work that Becky put together. Yes, you work in that mirror. Strike the pose, you're by yourself on the elevator. Oh, so cute. You are gonna be wearing it by yourself like this, and then you're gonna see the suit separate in 2 different outfits.
These are the pieces that when you break them apart, they'll take you from day to night and the workout in between.
Love this moment. Yes, this is not a real elevator. We built it purposefully for this story. Love that, Liliani. Oh, duck lips. Yeah, do some duck lips. Do like a Zoolander moment. Okay, car, you done it? Places to go to, people to meet, story to tell. Let's see where they're going. I'm your mirror. What you want to tell yourself, they're going to be fabulous.